In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to turn on or off dial pad tones on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, and as you can hear, right now it is active. So let me remove all the digits, and if you would like to deactivate this sound, just open list of all apps, go to the settings. Then here you have to find and select sounds and vibration, scroll down, open system sound and vibration control, and here you will notice the dialing keypad right here. Smoothly turn it off, and now it will not be active. As you can hear, it is muted. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.